Tesche House by Galeria 733 in Gravataí district, Brazil. Tesche House is located in a residential condominium with large lands in the south of Brazil. The owner had bought the land with a small house built on it, which he only used at weekends. His intention was to turn it into a permanent house, which is why he initially requested a renovation project. After evaluating the program, the construction conditions of the house, and the budget, it was decided to demolish it and build a new one, on a different scale and adapted to his real needs. One of the main requests was for the composition to have a prominent roof, with eaves, but without looking like a traditional house. This premise was therefore used to start the project. The sloping terrain and the obligatory setbacks would naturally guarantee a certain prominence for the building in the context, which was designed to be located in the same place as the original house, on the top, with a leisure patio in the background. The main guideline was to highlight a moderately rustic character in the project, given the program and the context, country house. The design exploits the forcefulness of an extensive slab, under which subtraction predominates, except for the leisure area and the front porch, which, in some way, expand themselves. In the composition of the floor plan, a diagonal axis gives a certain dynamism to the space, unveiling the pool and the landscape. One of the technical challenges was the structural design of the upper slab, especially the cantilever, formed by the southeast corner, which shelters the cars. 3 independent double columns support the front edge of the slab, to which part of the volume of the fireplace is structurally added. The south facade, porous and to a certain extent monumental, is guided by the rhythm of the supports in contrast with the horizontality of the roof. On the other hand, the rear north facade is more intimate and sinuous, to be discovered by the architectural march. Of long and troubling construction, this residence was designed to look like it had always belonged to that context, to those green fields. In short, Tesche House is a fair tribute to modern architecture in general and Brazilian architecture in particular. There's a bit of everything here, a hut and a palace, a city and the countryside, a bit of the prairies, the Planalto Central and the Prata, Rio and São Paulo. Inert tributes to architectural culture.